From Rochelle's Kosher Kitchen. So I decided today that I think we all need some chicken soup. We need something to calm our hearts, give us some strength. We're up against a really tough time, and the best way to warm our soul through these troubled times is to make a hearty chicken soup. Let's get started. To put up a 8-quart pot of water, and we're going to be adding in 16 cups of water. I am using chicken with the leg, and 3 pieces of chicken thigh are all going to go into our soup. So a real chicken soup is a medicinal soup. It is the soup that you give to someone who has a cold. And this is passed on from our mothers, grandmothers, great-grandmothers. They didn't just take the chicken and put it in the water and add a little salt and say, all right, you have chicken soup. No, this is medicinal. There are vegetables that you put into the soup. So, yes, they come in those little packages, but go ahead and buy yourself a nice sized turnip and celery, onions, carrots, parsnip, dill, and parsley, and of course leek, which has to be cleaned really well, so we're letting that one sit aside, and an onion. And get all these medicinal, healthy vegetables chopped up and added to your chicken soup. That's what makes this the Jewish hearty chicken soup. We have our hot water boiling. Add in a nice, really big pinch of salt into that. And I'm going to start adding in my chicken. It's the chicken with the leg and 3 nice pieces of chicken thigh. We're going to add that in. And I have a little trick for my parsley and my dill is I wrap them with a rubber band so that they kind of stay together when they're in there. So we're going to get that started, and then we're going to chop up all our vegetables and add those in. All right, you have a nice rolling boil to your water. We're going to add all our vegetables. So add in your onions. We chop them all up to bite size. So here goes in our turnips, our 2 celeries, 2 carrots, and a nice big parsnip. All goes into the chicken soup. Now we're going to add in the leek. Give this a very nice swirl and cover. Nice cover. Turn the heat down. Simmer for 1 hour. So while our soup is simmering, and you might have to watch it, you might do a little boil over, so be careful. I have some wide egg noodles. Going to boil them up and put them on the side. All right, the noodles are done. Off they come, and into our strainer they go. For our chicken soup, which is doing beautifully. Give it a nice look. It's simmering over your stove. Soup is done. Now we're going to remove all the big pieces of the chicken. So the chicken is cooled off, and have a second bowl. And what I like to do is peel off the chicken, take the skin off, and take all the nice pieces without the bone and put them into your bowl. And you're going to kind of just shred up the chicken, and you'll do that till all of your chicken, feel around for bones. You don't want to have any bones in the chicken. And you'll do that for all the pieces of the chicken that you use. Okay, so the chicken has been added back into your soup. Turn up your flame. Get it nice and hot. Run some water over your noodles. Let's add some of our noodles right into our bowl. And let's try out this nice, hearty, soulful soup that we all need. That is one beautiful bowl of soup. Okay, I need this. I need this real bad. Delicious. Season it to your family's taste. Enjoy this soup with your family. And let Israel, strength to strength, Am Yisrael Chai, and let us bring our hostages home, and let us be strong and stand up and be proud. Enjoy Rochelle's Kosher Kitchen's Hearty Chicken Soup. Make it this week and enjoy it with your family.